Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be solving NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 35. Find the volume of a sphere with radius 7 cm to the nearest whole number. Take pi to be 22 all over 7. A 154 centimeter cube, B 615 centimeter cube, C 616 centimeter cube, D 1078 centimeter cube, and E 1437 centimeter cube. So we're to find the volume of a sphere with radius 7 centimeter. Now the formula for finding the volume of a sphere, V, is giving us 4 all over 3 pi r cube. 4 all over 3 pi r cube. This is formula to find the volume of a sphere. And we're given that pi is equals to 22 all over 7, and r, which is the radius, is equal to 7 centimeter. So with these values we can find the volume of this sphere, and the volume V is giving us 4 all over 3 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by 7 cube, which is the radius. And so V is equals to 4 all over 3 multiplied by 22 all over 7 times, now 7 cube will give us what? 343. Now V is equal to, let's multiply all the numerator. Here is the same thing as 343 over 1, and all the numerator will give us what? 30184 all over, now the denominator will be 3 times 7 times 1, which is what? 21. And so V will be equal to 1437.33 centimeter cube. But the question says what? To the nearest whole number. And so because this number after the decimal point is less than 5, we round off, and so V, the volume, is approximately what? 1437 centimeter cube, and that is option E, which is the volume of the sphere. Thank you very much. Please, I should subscribe to the channel for more videos.